first we are solving the homogeneous differential equations, right? So yesterday we explained, okay, about only homogeneous differential equation. Okay, come to the first problem. Solve d cube y by dx cube, d cube, solve d cube y by dx cube minus 2 into d square y by dx square plus 4 into dy by dx minus 8y is equal to 0. So whether it is homogeneous or non-homogeneous?
It is homogeneous.
How you can say it is homogeneous?
It contains
Because RHS 0 is there.
RHS is 0 and in LHS each term containing
LHS it has
either
y and y derived.
y or its derivative, correct? Okay, now,
Yes.
so first problem, all of you concentrate here, I will explain, don't write and don't talk, okay? So now, first step, in step 1, if the given differential equation, it contains the derivative like d square, d cube y by dx cube like that, we have to write the given differential equation in the form of the equation which contain capital D. What is capital D stands for? Let it be equal to d by dx.
d by dx.
Capital D stands for d by dx. So how you can write d cube by dx cube as? Capital D cube into y minus 2 into
d square.
d square y. You should write y also. Okay, d square y plus 4 into
d.
dy. Y should be there. See, d is d by dx. Okay, d is d by dx. dy. dy means dy by dx. d square y means d square y by dx square. Okay. Did you clear now? Y you should write. Minus 8y is equal to 0. So now it is of the form. So first you take y common. It becomes d cube minus 2d square plus 4d into, minus 8 into y is equal to 0. So now it is looks like f of d into y is equal to 0. So it is our f of d, function of d, where f of d is equal to, what is f of d? What is f of d?
d cube minus 2d square plus 4d minus 8y.
8. This is our f of d. So after writing all these things, next you write the auxiliary equation. What is auxiliary equation? What you have f of d, no? So that we should take in m. Okay, that is m cube minus 2m square plus 4m minus 8 is equal to 0. So now we got cubic equation in m. Okay, this is one of the very important steps. If it is the correct, remaining is correct. If it is wrong, whatever you are going to do, everything will be wrong itself. Okay, after this, now we have to find out the roots for the cubic equation. How many roots you will get?
3 roots.
3 roots.
3 roots.
Since it is a cubic equation, you will have 3 roots. We have to find 3 roots. So how to find 3 roots? Usually, first root is find by trial and error method. Trial and error method means first you go on substituting the value for m as 1 minus 1 like that. Okay. First you substitute m is equal to 1 in this equation. I am taking this as equation 1. If you put m equal to 1, trial and error method I am using to find one root. Root is nothing but the solution. If you substitute this value in the equation, LHS equal to RHS. Okay, that value should satisfy the equation. So first I will find the one root by trial and error method. Okay, so I will go on substituting first 1. So if you put m equal to 1, what you will get? 1 cube is 1 minus 2 into 1 plus 4 into 1 minus 8 equal to 0. Is LHS is 0? Is this value, LHS should become 0. Is this 0?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, it is not equal to 0. I should get equal to 0 for what value of m that I want to find first. Next.
M is equals
After-
to -1.
Okay, try for after m equal to 1, then try for m equal to -1. So if you put m equal to -1, -1 cube is -1. Okay, -1 cube is -1. Next, -2 into 1, -1 square is 1 itself, plus 4 into -1 is -4, -8. Is this equal to 0?
No,
No,
ma'am.
it is not equal to 0. Okay, next you go for put m equal to 2. Try for m equal to 2. If you put m equal to 2, 2 cube. 2 cube is what? 8 minus
ma'am, 0.
2 into 2 square is 4 plus 4 into 2 is 8 minus 8. Is this 0?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
It is 0. Yes, 2 cube is 8. I got 2 cube as 8 minus 2 into 2 square is 4 plus 4 2s are 8 minus 8 equal to 0 we got, correct? So that means, so for what value of m we got the auxiliary equation is 0. Okay, so that we are finding. So now we got m is equal to 2 is the one root. Okay, these are the important steps you have to follow. If it is possible to factorize, you can factorize and you can find the roots. If it is not possible to factorize the equation, you go for trial and error method to find one root. Okay, now we got m is equal to 2 as a first root of the equation 1. Okay, first root of equation 1. So see here, since it is a cubic, so simplification and factorization is difficult. So it is not possible to factorize. So you can take common and you can factorize. Okay, some equations by taking common itself we can factorize. But here if you take common m square, it becomes m minus 2. Here if you take 4 common, m minus 2. Will you get it? Can we easily factorize this one? You can factorize. You can try for that also. M cube minus 2m square plus 4m minus 8. Sorry, 4m minus 8 equal to 0. If you take m square common, m minus 2 you will get. If you take plus 4 common, m minus 2 you will get. Okay, we can factorize. We can factorize it. Okay. So m minus 2 into what? M square plus, take m minus 2 common. What you got? M square plus 4 is equal to 0. So next, a into b equal to 0 means either a is equal to 0 or b equal to 0. That is m square plus 4 equal to 0. So m is equal, m minus 2 equal to 0 means what is m?
2, ma'am.
2. So here m square equal to 4 means m square plus 4 equal to 0 means what is m square?
Root of -4.
Minus m square is minus 4. Okay, m square is minus 4. Then m is equal to plus or minus root of minus 4. You should take plus.
Imaginary.
You should take plus or minus. Why? Because it is m square means you should get two roots. Okay, one is with plus and another one with minus. Okay, m is equal to plus or minus. I am going to write minus 4 as minus 1 into 4. So now I am taking 4 outside the square root. It become what?
2 plus or minus
Right.
2 root minus
What is
1.
the plus? What is square root of minus 1?
1.
I.
Okay, that is 2i. That is 2i. So either you can use this method, trial and error method, to find the roots, or you can use factorization. First you try for factorization. If it is possible to do by factorization, you solve it by factorization itself. Otherwise, you have to do what I explained by trial and error method. We can find the roots. Okay. So since it is the third order, how many roots you will have? Sorry, come to here. Okay, come to here. Since it is a third order, that is a third degree equation. So what is, how many roots you will get if it is a third degree?
3 roots, ma'am.
3 roots. Okay, roots are, so it is one root, m equal to 2 and plus or minus 2i. Okay, here a real part is not there. That's what I am putting real part as 0. So I got 3 rows. So it is a real. Okay, first root is real and second root is complex roots. Correct? Is it right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So now see here, it's very important. After finding roots, we have to find out YC. Okay, we have to find out YC. To find YC, we have to see all the 3 cases what we explained yesterday. Okay, so since we have only one real root, for that we can write this as C1 e power 2x plus linear combination of the solutions we have to write. Now write the solution for this. Since it is a complex root, we have to use case 3. Okay, use case 3 and tell me how you will write YC for P plus or minus IQ e to the power of
E to the power
Px.
2x.
Not 2x, not 2x, 0x. Correct? P plus IQ e power Px. Correct?
Okay.
E power Px into, already I written C1. So instead of C1, we should take C2. Okay, C2 cos Qx. Instead of Q, we have 2. Okay,
2y.
cos 2x. Don't write y. So because here we have to find y with respect to x. RHS should contain x, LHS should contain y. We have to find y with respect to x. Okay, x only you should write, not y. Plus C3. What shall I write?
Sin 2x.
Sin 2x. Okay, C3 sin 2x. Did you clear this one? This is actually our solution. What is e power 0x?
1.
1. So therefore our YC is C1 e power 2x plus C2 cos 2x plus C3 sin 3x. So how many constants we got here? How many constants?
3.
3. C1, C2, C3 we got because the given differential equation is of order
Third.
3.
order 3. Since it is a third order differential equation, we should have 3 constants in the solution. It is a general solution, call it as complementary function for the homogeneous differential equation. Did you clear while writing YC?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, according to the nature of the roots, we have to write the solution. So since only one root we have, you can keep this as a separate roots and write the solution and combine with plus. So once you have written C1 for the first solution, you can take C2, C3 for the another solutions. Then you can join the solutions with the plus. That's it. Okay. First root is a real root. We have only one root. So I am using case 1 or case 2. Okay. C1 e power 2x. Next, e power mx. M is 2 here. Next, come to the second set of roots. In second set of roots, we have a complex roots. Means case 3. Okay. It is like P plus or minus IQ. So that is e power Px into C1. Actually, we have to write C1. Already I used C1 here. So I am using C2. That's it. C2 cos Qx. Instead of Q, we have 2. Cos 2x plus C3 sin 2x only. Okay. Did you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
If you have doubt, you can ask. I will clarify your doubts. Is there any doubt? Please don't keep silence. If you have doubts, say we have doubts. I will clarify if you say your doubts. If you don't have doubts, you can say no doubts. I can move to the next problem, right?
No, ma'am.
No doubts, ma'am.
Can we move to
No
the
doubts.
second problem?
Yes, ma'am.
Out of 55 students, only 2 to 3 students are responding in the class. Okay, I am teaching for all the students. I am not selecting the students for my class to teach. Okay, right? Each and everyone should understand the class, because when you are going to write your exam, you are going to face a lot of problem. Okay? So each and everyone should understand the class. Each and everyone should respond what you know, what you are getting to know here. Okay? Next, take down the second problem. Shall I move to the
Ma'am?
second problem? Yes?
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am. We'll copy it.
So for copying, I will send the notes, okay? Or do you want to copy? Okay, you can copy.
Ma'am, we didn't get the notes, ma'am. That's why I'm asking.
No, only yesterday's notes I didn't send, I think, right? Previous classes notes also I am not sending?
No, ma'am.
No,
Okay,
ma'am.
right. Okay, today I will send all the notes. So up to what I sent, the remaining notes I will send today. Okay? I plan to upload in the MS Teams. I am scanning it actually, full notes of first module and second, full notes of first module. I think some from 3 classes I am not sending notes, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I will send today all the notes up to what I sent. So remaining part I will send in the WhatsApp group. So and I'm going to upload complete first module notes in the MS Teams. Okay, did you copy it now? Or shall I move to the second problem? I will send the notes today.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, or if you want to copy, I can wait.
Ma'am, it's okay, ma'am. You go to the next problem.
Okay, then second problem you can solve along with me itself. Okay. Okay, right. Or okay. Take down the second problem. Solve. dqy by dx cube plus 6 into d square y by dx square plus 11 into dy by dx plus 6y equal to 0. Can you tell me the first step? So all of you are writing, right? All of you have written the question?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, what is the first step? We have
D
to
cube
That's
y
D cube.
Plus 6
have-
d square plus 7y plus
6
6y is equal to 0.
plus
we have to write the given equation using capital D. Correct? How to write using capital D? D cube
D cube y plus
D
D
cube
cube
y
y
d
plus
square y
6 square
D
y
square
plus
y
11d plus
plus
6y.
7y.
dy plus 6y.
dy you should write. Don't miss y. Okay, if you miss y, the problem will be wrong. Equal to 0. What is the next step?
Y
YC
common.
of f of
Y
I
common.
should
Take
take
y
y
common.
common.
Take y common. D cube plus 6d square plus 11d plus 6 into y equal to 0. It is looks like f of d into y equal to 0. Where f of d equal to, what is f of d?
D cube plus
plus
6d square plus
D
11d
square
plus 6.
plus 11D plus 6.
Okay. After writing this, what is the next step? Consider auxiliary
Auxiliary
equation.
equation.
What is the auxiliary equation?
M cube plus 6m square plus 11
N
plus
cube
6.
plus 6n square plus 11n plus 6.
Plus 6 equal to 0 you should take. Okay, auxiliary equation means f of m equal to 0. So in place of d you replace d by m and equate to 0. That is our auxiliary equation. Next we have to find the roots. Okay, is it possible to factorize by taking common and all? You can check it.
No, ma'am.
So from first to any two you can take and any two you can group and take common. Is it possible to factorize?
no, ma'am.
No. Okay. Can we go for trial and error method? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So see here, actually I want to start with m equal to 1, but so if you put positive terms for m, will you get 0?
No, ma'am.
No,
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 ma'am.
ma'am. We
No,
have to take
because
negative
because
terms.
Minus.
Negative, ma'am.
Because all the terms are positive. Since all the terms are positive, if you take any positive value for m, it will not become 0. That we know that. So for that, I will start with the negative values for m. Start with minus 1. If you put m equal to minus 1, what you will get? Minus 1 cube plus 6 into minus 1 square plus 11 into minus 1 plus 6. What the value of this one?
0, ma'am.
0.
0.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, ma'am.
That's good. For
Yes,
first
ma'am.
value itself, we got 0. So that's nice. Equal to 0. So therefore we conclude that m is equal to minus 1. You put it in the box. You should highlight your roots. Okay. Is the first root of the given equation. First root of equation. You can take this as equation 1. Okay. Of equation 1. So now please all of you stop writing for 1 minute. So then I will give the time to write. Okay. So next what we have to use here is after finding first root, I think all of you studied synthetic division method. Did you
Yes,
study
ma'am.
synthetic? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is a method. If you know the one root, this is a method we are using to reduce the degree of the equation. If it is n, if you know one root, by using that one root, you can reduce the nth degree equation to n minus 1th degree. Say for example, here we have third degree differential equation. Order of the differential equation is 3. Okay, this is a third order equation. Okay, I know one root for this one as minus 1. Now, if it is already you got one root, means that equation should be reduced to quadratic. Okay, remaining two roots I need to find. So how to reduce that to the quadratic to find another two roots? So this is a method called synthetic division method. First you write the coefficients of m. Coefficients of m in the equation 1. That is 1, 6, 11, 6. Okay, write all the coefficients. Start from 3. M cube, m square, m and m power 0. Okay, like that only. Suppose if it is not there, means you should write here 0. You should not skip any term. So next you write the root what you got here. Okay, so next start with 0. For all the whatever it may be the root, you start from 0 here. Now you add these two. What is 1 plus 0?
1.
1.
Now you multiply these two. 1 into minus 1?
Minus 1.
Minus 1.
Minus 1. That you should write here. Add these two. 6 minus 1, add.
5.
5, ma'am.
Okay, now you multiply. 5 to minus 1?
Minus 5.
Minus 5. Now you add these two. 11 plus of minus 5?
6.
6. Multiply these two. 6 into minus 1?
Minus 6.
Minus 6.
Add these two.
0.
0.
0, ma'am.
So you should get 0 if first root is correct. First root what you consider m equal to minus 1. If it is correct, compulsorily you will get 0. So now you write the equation. Okay, now you write the equation for these coefficients. So now it reduced to second. So now it is reduced to quadratic equation instead of cubic equation. Okay. So now how you can write the equation for the coefficients? What you got here?
M square plus 5m plus 6.
M.
1m square. Shall I write 1m square plus
Yes.
Plus 5m
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 plus 6.
plus
plus
6.
6 is
6
equal to 0.
plus 6 equal to 0. Now it is a quadratic equation. Generally we can write it as m square plus 5m plus 6. We know that how to find the roots for the quadratic equation, either by factorization or by formula method. Okay, is it possible to factorize? Product of these two
Yes,
is
ma'am.
equal. Okay, how to factorize?
Minus 2 minus 3.
Ma'am, plus 6x minus 1x, ma'am.
Minus 2 minus 3. ma'am.
Minus 2x plus 3x.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Hey,
ma'am.
minus into plus minus alva. So
Yes.
it is not correct.
Minus into
So
minus.
6m square, right? 1 minute, 6m square, right? If you take minus 2m into 3m plus into minus minus, but I have plus no. Will you get that one? It is plus, not minus.
I told you. Okay.
Huh? Minus 2m
Yes,
minus
ma'am.
3m. Minus 2m minus 3m, correct? Huh?
M is equal to minus 3, M is equal to minus 2.
M is equal to minus 3 and minus 2.
2m, 3m. Okay. Plus 2m and plus 3m, not x, m. Plus 6 equal to 0. Correct? I am doing this one. So next, because 2 3s are 6 plus 6 only, m into m square. If you add 2m plus 3m is 5m. We are getting the middle term. So I am writing 5m as 2m plus 3m. Now take m common, m plus 2 plus 3 common, m plus 2. Correct? 3 common, m. Here 2 equal to 0. Now take m plus 2 as common. So then it becomes m plus 2 into m plus 3 equal to 0. Is it right?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it right? Okay, now.
Yes,
So a into b equal to 0 means either a equal to 0 or what?
B equals
B equal to 0.
B
We
equal
have it
to
is
0.
like a into b. Either this equal to 0 or this equal to 0. If m plus 2 equal to 0, what is m?
minus 2.
Minus
Minus 2.
Minus 2. Here m plus 3 equal to 0 means what is m?
Minus
3.
Minus 3.
Minus 3. So we
Minus
got totally how many roots?
3
Three
roots, ma'am.
3.
What is
3.
the first root? What is the first root?
Minus
Minus
1.
Minus.
Minus 1.
Minus.
Minus 2
Minus.
Minus
plus
2.
minus.
Minus
See
3.
the nature of s. We should get 3 roots because we consider the third order differential equation. Okay, next we have to discuss about the nature of the roots. So roots are real. Is the roots are real?
Distinct.
Real,
No,
but
ma'am.
not equal. Correct? Roots are real, not complex. Roots are real, but not equal. Not equal means
Yes,
distinct. Correct?
Distinct.
Which case I want to use? Which case?
Second case, ma'am.
Second.
Second case. Second case. It is M1, M2, M3. M1, M2, M3 are real, but M1 not equal to M2, not equal to M3. How to write YC? How to write YC? C1 e to the power of m1x, that is minus 1x, plus
C2 e to the power
C2 e
minus
power
2x
minus
plus C3 e power minus 3x.
C3 e power minus 3x. So this is a way we have to write YC for the real and distinct roots. Did you clear all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Is there any doubt?
no, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
If you have doubt in this problem, you can ask here itself. If you don't have doubts, means I can move to the third problem. What shall I do?
Next problem, ma'am.
Can we go for third problem? Yes. You can ask your friends also. If your friends have doubt, let them ask in the class itself. Okay. But all of you should understand the concept what I am explaining. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, go for the third problem. Third problem. Read on solve. Solve. D power 4 plus 4 into d cube minus 5d square minus 36d minus 36 into y equal to 0. Equal to 0. I will repeat the question once again because I want to check it. If what I am copying the question itself is wrong, means complete problem will be wrong. That's all. So d power 4 plus 4 dq minus 5d square minus 36d minus 36 into y equal to 0. Okay. Written the question?
Yes.
Okay, come to the solution. Actually, in the question itself, they are already they written 2 steps. Okay, they reduced our workload. Okay, just I am writing what they are given. D power 4 plus 4 dq minus 5d square minus 36d minus 36 into y. Correct? Equal to 0. Is it right?
Yes, ma'am.
So now
Yes,
it is
yes,
given in the form of f of d into y is equal to
y
0,
equal to 0.
where f of d equal to what?
D power 4
D
plus
power
4
4 plus
dq
4 dq
minus
minus
5
5d
d
square
minus 36d minus 36.
Minus 36d minus 36. Correct? So next, what we have to consider?
Auxiliary equation.
What is the auxiliary equation we have?
f
F
power
of
to the
4
power
m
of
plus
4
4
m cube minus 5 m square minus 36m minus 36.
Minus 36m minus
equal to 0.
36 equal to 0. What is the order of the differential equation we have?
quadrant.
4
4.
So auxiliary equation is of order 4. How many roots you have to get?
4.
4.
4.
Okay. Since we have, it is difficult or not possible to factorize it, correct? It is difficult for us to factorize it directly. For that, by trial and error method, we can find first root. Correct? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Start from m equal to 1. Put m equal to 1 here. It is 1 to the power of 4 plus 4 into 1 minus 5 into 1 square is 1 minus 36 into 1 minus 36. Is this equal to 0?
No.
What is this equal to?
Minus 72.
Minus
7.
7, huh?
Minus 72.
Minus
Minus
72.
72.
Minus 72.
Minus 72,
72.
it is not equal to 0. Okay, next start with m equal to minus 1. Try for m equal to minus 1. Minus 1 power 4 plus 4 into minus 1 minus 5 into minus 1 minus, sorry, here cube alva, it is cube and it is square and minus 36 into minus 1 minus 36 equal to what? Tell me fast. You can use calculator.
Minus 10.
Minus 5, huh?
Minus 10.
Minus
ma'am.
10.
Minus 10.
Minus 10 is also not equal to 0. Next, what shall I put for m?
2.
2.
2.
So 2 cube, 2 power 4 plus 4 into 2 cube minus 5 into 2 square minus 36 into 2 minus 36. What you got? What you got?
Minus 80, ma'am.
Minus
80.
80, 80 na?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
It is not equal to 0. Next, we have to try with m equal to
Minus.
m
Minus
minus 2.
2.
So minus 2 power 4 plus 4 into minus 2 whole cube minus 5 into minus 2 whole square minus 36 into minus 2 minus 36 equal to what?
Zero, ma'am.
0? Sure?
It's zero. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, it is 0. So m is equal to minus 2 is the first root. So therefore, m is equal to minus 2 is the, you can take this as equation 1, is the first root of equation 1. So after finding first root, what we have to do?
Synthetic division.
Yes, we should go for synthetic division method. So in synthetic division method, first we have to write the coefficients of equation. Sorry, you can take it, it is equation 1, not this one. You take this as equation 1. Take coefficients of m. In equation 1, m power 4, m cube, m square, m and constant you write first. So that is 1, 4, minus 5, minus 36 and minus 36. What we got the first root as?
minus 2.
Minus 2.
Minus 2. You write that minus 2 here. Next. What shall I write here?
0, ma'am.
0. Next, what I should do? What I should do? These two numbers?
Add
Add. What you will get?
1.
1. Next, what I should do?
Multiply.
Multiply. What is 1 into minus 2?
Minus 2.
Minus 2. Next, we have to add these two. 4 minus 2 is what?
2, ma'am.
2. Then multiply these two. 2 into minus 2?
Minus 4.
Minus 4.
Minus 4. Minus 4 minus 5?
Minus 9.
Minus 9.
Minus 9 into minus 2?
Plus
18.
18.
Plus 18. Minus into minus plus 18. Minus 36 plus 18?
Minus 18.
Minus 18. Minus 18 into minus 2?
Plus 36.
Plus 36.
Plus 36. Minus 36 plus 36?
0.
0.
0.
So, if your first root is correct, you should get 0 here. Okay. Now, we have to reduce fourth degree equation to third degree equation by using the remaining coefficients. Can you tell me the equation now? 1
M cube
1
m
cube
plus 2
plus 2
square
minus
square
9
2
minus
square
9m
minus 9m.
minus 18
9m minus
8
18
equal to
is equals to 0.
Okay. So, if it is possible to factorize, you factorize it. Is it possible to factorize?
yes ma'am.
So, take m square common. What you left with?
M plus 2.
M plus
M plus 2. Here take minus 9 common. What you left with?
m plus
M
2.
plus
M plus
m.
M plus 2 equal to 0. Now take m plus 2 common. M plus 2 into what?
M square minus 9.
M square
M square
minus
minus
9
Minus
equal
9.
to 0. That means m plus 2 equal to 0 or
M square
m
minus
square
9
minus
equal
9
to 0.
equal to 0.
M
What
square
is m from first one?
Minus 2.
Minus 2.
Here m square equal to what?
Plus or
Plus or
minus
Plus or minus
Under minus
M,
9.
m square. I am asking about m square. M square equal to
9.
9.
9. M is equal to plus or minus root of?
Root 9.
What is root 9?
3.
3.
3
3. Plus or minus 3. So now here we have two roots. One is plus 3 and minus 3. Minus 2. One more root is what? First root?
-2.
-2.
Okay. Now write all the roots. We got -2 is the first root. Second root we got -2. Third root is +3. Fourth root is -3. Totally how many roots we should get?
4 roots.
4. We got now 4 roots. Now we have to see the nature of the roots and we have to write YC. Okay, to write YC, first you see first two. Okay, first two are real and
Equal.
equal.
Real and
Real and distinct.
Not distinct. First
First
two
two
roots are
real
real and
things.
equal.
Real and equal.
Real and equal.
Real
First
and
two real
equal.
and equal.
Which case we have to use?
First
First
case.
case, ma'am.
First,
First case. Okay. So how to write using first case? YC?
C1 plus
C4
C2 e
minus
to the power minus
e to the
2x.
power of -2x.
C1 plus C2x into e to the power of
Minus
-2x.
2x.
minus 2x. Okay. Now see these two roots. These two roots are
Real
Real
and
and
distinct.
real and distinct. Distinct means separate roots. Okay. Use case 2.
Second
Okay.
case.
Actually, we have to start from C1. Already I use C1 and C2. What shall I use here?
C3
C3. C3 into
E
e to
power
the power of
3x.
3x.
plus
Plus C4 into e to the power minus 3x.
C4 e to the power of -3.
that's all. That's all. This is the way we have to find YC. Clear? Cleared all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Is there any doubt? Is there any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No.
If you have any doubt in this problem, you can ask, I will clarify it. Is there any doubt? Yes?
No, ma'am.
Shall we move to the next problem then?
Yes, ma'am.
Writing is over? Writing is over?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next. Go for the next problem. Fourth one, huh? Is this fourth one next
Yes,
problem?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, take down the question. Solve. D cube y by dx cube. D cube y by dx cube minus 3 into d square y by dx square plus 3 into dy by dx minus y equal to 0. Now tell me, what is the step 1?
D cube y
E cube y
y
minus d square
minus 3d square
3d
y
square
plus 3y
plus 3d
Plus 3 dy
minus
minus
y.
y.
minus y.
Is it right? All of you will agree with this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Okay, next. Take y common. What you left with?
D cube minus
cube
3d square
3d
plus
square
3d
minus
Minus 1 is y into y is equals to 0.
Minus y. Yeah.
Minus
One.
1.
Minus
Not
1
right.
and y common. Y you are right. Right?
1.
Next. It is looks like f of d into y equal to 0. Where f of d? What is f of d?
D cube minus
cube minus
3d
3d
square
square
minus
plus
3d square
3d
plus
minus
3d minus 1.
See, boys are trying to answer, but girls are dominating them. Correct? Right, Likit and Abhishek?
yes,
Don't
What is
know.
the next step? What is the next step?
Auxiliary equation.
What is
Auxiliary
the auxiliary equation? What is the auxiliary
M
equation?
cube
cube minus 3m
M
square
cube minus
m
3
3m
m
square
square plus 3m
m
minus
minus
1
1
Ashtena?
equal to
Equal
0.
to 0. That's very
Equal to
important. You
0.
should take equal to 0. Okay, next. Is it possible by factorization? Can we try? Take m square common. What you will get?
m minus 3
M minus 3.
M minus 3. Here minus 1 common. Okay, not possible, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Factorization is not possible. Then we go for trial and error method.
By substituting 1, we can get.
So start with m equal to 1. So 1 cube minus 3 into 1 square plus 3 into 1 minus 1. What will get? 0?
0
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
0
ma'am.
only. Okay, that's good. We got by first value itself. M equal to 1 is the, you can take this as equation 1. M equal to 1 is the first root of equation 1. Correct? Huh? Is it right?
yes ma'am
Yes, ma'am.
After finding first root, what we should do?
Synthetic division.
Synthetic division method. Write all the coefficients. Start from m cube coefficient 1. Next what? Write the coefficients
Minus
of equation
3.
1.
Minus 3.
Minus 3.
minus 3
Next
Minus
3.
3.
3
3.
minus 1
Minus
Minus
1.
1.
What shall I write here?
1
1.
1 ma'am.
What shall I write here?
0.
0
0.
0. Add these two.
1.
1. 1 into 1.
1.
1
Add these two.
minus 2
Minus 2.
Minus 2 into 1.
Minus 2.
Minus 2. Add these two.
1.
1.
1 ma'am
1 into 1.
1.
1 ma'am
1. Minus 1
1.
plus 1.
0
0.
0 we should get. If our root is correct, 0 compulsory we should get. Now write
1.
the quadratic equation.
0.
m square minus 2m plus 1 equal to 0
Plus 1 equal to 0. So it is what? Directly we can
Quadratic
write it as
quadratic
m
quadratic
minus,
equation
m minus 1 whole square equal to 0.
yes ma'am
A
All
square plus
roots
b
are
square
same.
minus 2ab. Correct? Huh?
yes ma'am
That is m minus 1 into m minus 1 equal
Yep.
to 0. That is m minus 1 equal to 0 or m minus 1 equal to 0. So m equal to what?
1.
1
1.
1.
Here m equal to what?
1.
1.
1. Therefore, what are
Roots
the
are
roots we
real
got?
and equal.
1.
1.
Right,
1.
first you write all the roots. 1,
All
1,
roots
1.
are real and
What is the order of the
All
differential
roots are
equation?
real and equal. 3.
Third
ma'am.
order.
3.
3
So
ma'am
order
third
of
order
differential equation is 3. How many roots you should get?
3 roots.
3
We got 3 roots. You should write all the 3 roots first. So then you check the nature of the roots. Roots are
Real and equal.
real
Real and equal.
real and equal. Which case we have to use?
First case.
first case
First.
Now tell me. Now tell me.
E4 into C1 plus C2x plus
c1
3 1
C3x
plus
square.
3 2 x
cx
plus
square
3
e to
3
the
x
power
e to the power of 1 x
Into e power.
1 x
x
Did you hear all of you?